Unusual animal fact. The aye-aye is one of the most fascinating and unique animals in the world. It is a type of lemur that lives in Madagascar, and it has some amazing adaptations that help it survive in its environment. The aye-aye has large ears that can hear the slightest sounds, and a long middle finger that can tap on trees and extract insects from holes. The aye-aye also has rodent-like teeth that can gnaw through bark and nuts. The aye-aye is nocturnal and spends most of its time in the treetops, avoiding predators and humans who often fear and persecute it. Despite its strange appearance and habits, the aye-aye is an intelligent and social animal that deserves our respect and protection.